As a processor, OEM, reseller, or mechanical contractor, you need a fast and reliable supply source for both new and replacement parts. CSI distributes a wide range of sanitary processing equipment and installation materials. You're always covered with our 4 warehouses across the U.S. that ship to destinations across the globe. Our ever-growing inventory of over 80,000 SKUs includes products such as sanitary pumps, seal and service kits, valves, tubing, fittings, AL6XN and C22 superalloys, tank equipment, and pipe tight. We offer same-day shipping on thousands of products from brands such as Alfa Laval, Anderson-Negele, and Amco. With quick ordering on the CSI store and our knowledgeable customer service team ready to answer your questions, CSI is your source for hygienic processing equipment. To place an order, visit store.csidesigns.com or give us a call today.